One of the most overlooked aspects when purchasing an IEM is noise isolation. This is especially true for people who have never used a pair of in-ear monitors, IEMs. The design allows them to isolate sound better than almost any other earpiece on the market. It also takes about 2 weeks to make, so if you don't want to wait that long, you may want to choose a universal product. The link is available in the description. You can check for the best price. 1. Sony IERZ-1R Signature. If you are looking for an IEM with the best ANC feature that doesn't leak sound, the Sony IERZ-1R is your best choice. IERZ-1R boasts excellent noise isolation thanks to its hybrid driver design and various ear tip options. Delivers a rich, detailed sound signature for audiophiles. 2. Shure SE846 BT2. Among the other IEMs presented here, the Shure SE846 BT2 is undoubtedly the best for the title of Best Premium Headphones. And there's a reason for that. It is extremely durable, especially when using military-grade materials, Kevlar. Considering that the SE846 is a pair of IEMs, it can block out most outside noise while preventing sound leakage more effectively than some closed-back headphones. 3. Westone W40. Westone is a brand known for its high-quality, custom IEMs. The W40 offers a comfortable fit and excellent noise isolation thanks to its ergonomic design and various ear tip options. It offers a warm and balanced sound signature, making it suitable for a variety of music genres. 4. Shure SE535. Shure is another respected brand known for its professional-grade audio equipment. The SE535 Special Edition provides excellent noise isolation with a snug fit and excellent seal. It boasts a balanced sound signature with clear highs, warm mids, and presence, but not overpowering lows. 5. Sennheiser IE 300. Sennheiser is another well-known brand in the audiophile world. The IE 300 offers excellent noise isolation with a snug fit and well-designed ear tips. It delivers a balanced sound with a clean mid-range, detailed highs, and controlled bass response. Overall, IEMs are a great, discreet way to listen to music or audio without annoying those around you. If you will be using your earpieces in public, making sure the accessories are sealed using appropriate noise-isolating tips will ensure a pleasant listening experience. That's it for today's rundown. We hope this helps you choose the right one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. See you in the next one.